UiPath ScreenPlay turns your natural language instructions into resilient, self-driving UI automations. In this demo, we'll show how a single variable enables ScreenPlay to intelligently adjust its actions based on the context. As part of my job, I need to check the SOC3 compliance of every new vendor my company starts working with. This is a challenging manual process because each company stores its document in a different place on its website. And the document itself varies greatly in format from one vendor to another. With ScreenPlay, I can automate this process simply by explaining it in natural language, and it takes care of the rest. In my case, I need ScreenPlay to search online for the document for each specific vendor, open it, and extract the relevant information. However, I don't need to adjust the prompts each time. By using a variable, I can simply change the company name for each vendor, and ScreenPlay adapts its execution on the go. The first prompt instructs ScreenPlay to find the SOC3 document for the company specified in the variable. The second prompt directs it to open the document and use Acrobat-specific tools to efficiently look for the required information. This is necessary because these documents are often hundreds of pages long and cannot simply be read by the agent. Finally, the automation displays the extracted information in a message box. When we run it, we can see how ScreenPlay starts searching for the Slack SOC3 document, navigates to the Slack website, and moves through the pages until it finds the file. By simply updating the variable, we've asked ScreenPlay to search for the same document for Dropbox, AWS, and Capgemini, shown here on the other screens running in parallel. Once ScreenPlay finds the document, it uses the Acrobat search functionality to look for relevant keywords generated without explicit instructions to identify the required data points: auditor company, coverage period, report type, location in scope for the compliance, and the report URL. As you can see, even though we're using the same prompt in all four cases, ScreenPlay intelligently adjusts its actions based on the company it's researching. What's interesting is that in the case of Slack, the example shown in the top left corner, ScreenPlay couldn't find the information using the standard search capability. That's why it proceeded to scroll through the document and read it manually to locate the needed information. This perfectly demonstrates the intelligence, flexibility, and resilience that ScreenPlay brings to your automations. Get started with ScreenPlay today.